Hello and welcome to PTOlogic, where you can search the USPTO database for granted patents and published applications, as well as the WIPO PCT published applications. Here on this first page, where we can choose which database to search, you'll also see search activity for the last 120 days. You can save searches from any database here and review them later or print out the reports again. Let's jump right in and search a USPTO granted patent. On this first page, we need to put in our client code. I'm just going to use CC, but you can use any combination of text or numbers that you wish, and the matter code. And then below, we put in a search title. Let's use demo search as our title, and there we go. And let's put in a simple search string to begin with, teenager protein and dialysis. We'll display the dependent claims and click the search button. Now we see that there's 1,076 patents that are returned. That's probably too many for the review that I'd like to do, so I'm going to simply restrict the search a little bit by not having refolding as one of the terms. We submit the edited search and we get 367 patents. If we wanted to keep refining, we can, and we can of course go and look at each of the individual patents here by clicking on any of the patent numbers, and we can read their title to understand how refined our search is. Now let's go ahead and review and approve our review and start looking at the patents. On this page, you can see the patent title, abstract, S&Es, inventors, parent case text, information about the patent itself, as well as the independent claims. From our research, we understand that many of our users prefer to just see the independent claims until they've found a patent that is interesting to them, at which point they might click this box to be able to dig in a little more deeply and see all the dependent claims that are associated with that patent. Over here we have some statistics about the search we're doing and the review we're doing. We're on patent 1 of 367 patents in the pool, and none of them are relevant. And this little indicator here will tell us whether or not a patent has been made relevant or not. Let's go ahead and make this patent relevant. And we can put in claims, comments against the claims down here. Let's just put something in simple like remember claim 15 peptide. We'll see this come up when we make our final report. Let's go to the next patent. Perhaps this one is relevant too, and the next patent after that. And normally we would continue on through until we've read all of the claims in all of the patents. In this case, I'm just going to make a few patents relevant so that we've got a nice report. Down below you'll see that you can review all results. That allows you to cherry pick certain patents if you want to change their status or put in some extra comments. You can save and review later, which allows you to save your work, come back the next day after a meeting or some other reason to stop your work, and be able to pick up where you left off. We're going to jump here to creating the report, which will give us a view of the draft report with the statistics from the report above at the top, and the layout of the actual report as it would appear in your Word document when you're finished. Here on the left we have the patent number and title and S&E information, some priority information, claims, and then the comments that you would have typed in earlier when you were preparing your report. We can go ahead and download the review, which downloads it as a Word document, and you can view that document in Word, save it as a PDF if you wish, and share it amongst your peers or your clients. The patent number in the document is a link out to the patent on the USPTO's website in this case, or onto the relevant database. And that's it. We make searches really simple, really fast, and really easy, and reduce errors and omissions from cutting and pasting errors or simply missing different pieces of information as a result of not stepping through every patent in the system. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Otherwise, head to create your own account and you'll be able to do 2 free searches to test the system for yourselves.